Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So gap down, Tesla today, this is a 4-hour chart by the way, rallying, filling the gap, which when you see a gap down, that's the first thing you should watch for if it starts rallying for the gap fill. And then selling, closing pretty much like a doji just below yesterday's open and then selling down into the close. Actually holding up pretty well given the overall market conditions and the huge sell-off today. What we're watching for tomorrow is this of a 967 level. Close below 967, we're going to be watching for the gap fill down to this level, 941.25, which is also this really nice support shelf. If we did drop below there, then we'd start watching to here down to this gap open and the bottom of the rotation zone at 920. So those are your two key levels. Now out of overbought condition on the 4-hour. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily, you can see the major support on the daily is about 935, which would be right after this gap fill. So this gap fill is going to be very important should it continue to sell off tomorrow. Finally out of overbought condition on the daily. No divergence here because it made a slightly higher RSI. Now, on a rally above this 1027.36 level, we're then watching 1045.32, 1070.34, and 1113. Those are the key levels. If we did have a bigger sell-off, we're then watching down to 872. And just for complete purposes on something catastrophic happening, we're down 791 to 800. That's what we have for you on Tesla. Hope everyone's doing okay, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.